What's up? Logan Binggeli here, day 10 quarantined. I'm here to do a bike check on our KHS e-bike, the 6555 Plus. We've done a couple modifications, team version, but starting off with these sweet flex bars. Running these flex bars to help out with hand dampening, overall satisfaction. Got some sweet ODI grips, running the double piston Shimano XT brakes, along with the Fox 36 Grip 2 160 mil fork. Got lock-on XTR rotors, Shimano hubs, along with the new 30 mil Shimano XT wheel set, which is super sweet. Has micro driver hub, spline, good engagement, and spoke count on that's 32. From here, we're running the Shimano E8000 motor with the 500 watt battery. It can get you anywhere from 3-hour ride time to almost about an hour and a half on full boost, trucking along at a good pace. Working our way back, I got the DHX2 coil shock running a 600-pound spring. I prefer the coil. It's really durable. Once you get the spring rate set, I feel like it's a little bit pushed off the top and really enjoy that. From there, XD cranks, Shimano 165. Really like these cranks. Takes a lot of weight off. The new Saint pedals, Shimano chain, the new XT Shimano derailleur. That thing's been really snappy. I'm running the XTR on my enduro bike and I literally can't tell a difference on that. Internally, we got OKO sealant along with Cushcore, dampening system front and rear, 29 wheels. We're running FSA stem 45 mil with the Flowtron gravity dropper, 150 mil stack with the WTVC. We got Kenda tires, running the Hellcat up front and the Hell driver on the rear. Other than that, man, I really enjoy ripping this bike. It keeps things mixed up. When I'm off the enduro bike, I can switch up from the enduro and go to the e-bike and just ride all day. So that's my bike check.